This is beautiful, man. Love riding this bike. 5 miles there, 5 miles back home. Look at this guy complaining. Oh, 5 miles. He been complaining. Oh, my legs hurt. Oh, I'm tired. All he does is complain. It's only 5 miles and a bike. Early in the morning work, you know. You alright? Tired? We're gonna sit down in a few minutes, alright? Oh, wait a minute. Louis, let me show the thing that we found. Look at me and Louis found this today. Check this out. Look at this little guy. We found it. Louis almost stepped on it. It's a snapping turtle. Baby snapper. We found it on the floor. I'm gonna take it home and take care of it. Can't believe we found this little guy. Put it in my bag.
For all these years.
No.
It's been there. Every time he was here,
He's a cutie.
for all that years, it's been there.
Louis, he was just born. He was just born. I don't know if today, but he was born probably like a week or two ago. Later, guys.